Why you fake being fine and how to actually feel alive again. You fake being fine because the world rewards the lie. It claps for your smile, praises your strength, and never asks what it costs you to hold it all together. You fake being fine because somewhere along the line you were taught that emotions are weakness and silence is survival. So you perform. You put on the mask. You show up. You laugh when you're breaking, nod when you want to scream, and you pretend that carrying the weight makes you strong when all it does is make you numb. But the truth is this: faking it is killing you. Not with blood, not with bruises, but with erosion. Slow, silent disconnection from yourself. A man doesn't become empty overnight. He becomes empty from years of suppressing what he should have expressed, from decades of choosing performance over presence, and eventually he forgets how to feel anything real. That's not resilience, that's emotional suicide. You were not made to wear a mask forever. You were made to feel, to hurt, to heal, and to become. But that process demands exposure, it demands truth. And truth is brutal, isn't it? Because it breaks the illusion. It forces you to confront the reality that the person the world thinks you are and the man you really are don't match. That mismatch is what causes depression, anxiety, addiction. It's not the trauma alone. It's the emotional fragmentation from pretending it didn't happen. You want to know why you feel disconnected? Why life feels like you're underwater with a smile stitched on your face? It's because every time you lie and say, "I'm fine," your nervous system registers it as betrayal. Your body knows, your brain knows, your soul knows, and over time, you begin to decay. The joy fades, the hunger dies, the light dims, not because you're broken, but because you've buried your truth so deep you can't hear it anymore. But here's the good news: anything buried can be uncovered. You can feel again, you can live again. But you must stop lying. You must remove the damn mask, not for the world, for yourself. Because the longer you hide, the less of you survives. Your nervous system is not built to suppress forever. The more you deny emotion, the more your body compensates. Cortisol spikes, serotonin crashes, sleep shatters, energy drains. This is biology, not philosophy. And yet, every day you keep choosing the fake smile over the real scream. Why? Because faking is familiar, because the mask protects you from rejection, from judgment, from having to explain pain to people who don't understand it. But here's what you don't realize. The mask that protects you is also what's suffocating you. You can't breathe under all that pretending. You can't become who you're meant to be when you're trapped in the role of who you think you're supposed to be. It's time to let go. Time to be real. Time to feel what you've been avoiding. Not because it's comfortable, but because it's necessary. You don't find peace by faking happiness. You earn peace by facing your pain and transforming it. That's where real happiness lives. Not in avoiding the darkness, but in walking through it with your eyes open. You want to be free? Here's how. Step 1. Speak the truth out loud, alone in your room if you have to. Say, "I'm not fine." Say, "I'm angry." Say, "I'm exhausted." Say, "I feel nothing and it scares the hell out of me." Let it out, because everything you suppress becomes a prison. Step 2. Identify where you lie the most. With your partner, your family, your friends, yourself. That's the wound. Go there, don't run. Dig into that place like your life depends on it, because it does. Step 3. Create a ritual of real. Every day for 5 minutes, sit in silence and ask, what am I actually feeling? No phone, no noise. Just you, your truth, and your breath. It'll hurt at first. You'll want to run. Don't. That pain is sacred. That pain is real. That pain is the path. Step 4. Replace the mask with a mission. You weren't put here to pretend. You were built to impact, to serve, to rise. But a man can't build legacy while hiding in shame. You must make your life about something bigger than image, bigger than applause, bigger than being fine. Choose your truth over your image every single time. That's how centurions are born, not by being perfect, but by being honest. Honesty is your new weapon. Vulnerability is your new armor. Feel it, speak it, stand in it. And you will find something deeper than happiness. You'll find fire. You'll find purpose. You'll find you. Let me tell you something no one says out loud. We don't need more smiling men. We need more real men. More men willing to say, "I'm not okay, but I'm not giving up." More men who cry without shame, who rage without guilt, who bleed without apology. Because those men heal, those men lead, those men change the world. Scrolls keep smiling while dying inside. Centurions burn the mask, bleed in the open, and rise from the ashes. So choose right now. Are you going to keep living this half-life, keep pretending until you vanish into the role you've been playing? Or are you going to tear it all down and feel again? Watch the LFV, do the ritual, write your truth, stand in your fire. No more fake, no more fine. It's time to actually live.